Welcome to my house tour. Today, I will show you every part of my house. But listen carefully. I will ask you questions. Can you understand everything? Don't pause the video. Don't translate. Just listen. At the end, I will test you. Are you ready? Let's go. First, look at the house. It has a big red roof. The walls are white. There is a wooden door. I have the key. Let's open it. Now, we are inside. This is the hallway. The hallway is long and narrow. On the wall, there is a large mirror. I look in the mirror before I leave the house. Under the mirror, there is a small table. There is also a place for shoes. In my house, we take off our shoes. What about you? Do you take off your shoes at home? Now, let's go to the living room. This room is very bright because it has two big windows. The sun comes in every afternoon. There is a large gray sofa. It is soft and comfortable. Let me say that again. It is soft and comfortable. In front of the sofa, there is a table. On the table, there are 3 things. Listen carefully. Books, a cup of tea, and a small plant. What are the 3 things? Books, tea, and a plant. Did you remember? On the wall, there is a big TV. I like to watch movies here. In the corner, there is a lamp. I turn it on at night. This room feels cozy. It feels warm. Now, come with me. We go to the kitchen. The kitchen is clean and modern. Look around. There is a big refrigerator. Inside, there is milk, fruit, and vegetables. Next to the refrigerator, there is a stove. I cook my pasta here. What is inside the refrigerator? Did you remember? There are some foods: milk, fruit, vegetables. Can you name one food in your kitchen? There are cabinets on the wall. We keep plates and glasses there. In the middle, there is a dining table. There are 4 chairs. I eat here every morning. I eat eggs. I eat toast. Let me say it again. I eat eggs. I eat toast. What do you eat in the morning? Now, let's go upstairs. We are in the bedroom. This room is quiet. There is a big bed. It has a purple blanket. There are 2 white pillows on the bed. I sleep here every night. Next to the bed, there is a small table. There is an alarm clock on the table. It rings at 7 o'clock every morning. In the corner, there is a study area. There is a desk and a chair. On the desk, there is a computer and a lamp. There is also a bookshelf. It is full of my favorite books. This room feels peaceful. It feels calm. Now, the last room. The bathroom. The walls are blue. They look like the ocean. There is a bathtub and a shower. I take a warm shower here every morning. There is also a sink and a mirror. I brush my teeth here, morning and night. On the shelf, there are towels. The towels are very soft. This is the end of my house tour. Now, let's test your listening. Answer in your head. What color is the roof? What is under the mirror? What is on the table in the living room? What time does the clock ring? What do I eat for breakfast? Good job if you remember. Thank you for walking through my house with me. See you in the next video.